Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam Alaikum, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how we can make a 2D drawing with the help of train command and circle command and 1010 and 1010 line command also. So let's start the making drawing. Here our 2D drawing is so first we have to choose one part we have to make first, from where we can make our drawing in a easy way, where from we will see our drawing with a easy method. So we will make this drawing from this circle, and after that we will make this circle. So we are looking that this axis line and this axis line are not in a same axis. So the distance between this axis and this axis is 15 mm, and the distance between this center line and this center line is 114 mm. So let's start the making process of this 2D drawing. So here it is our working space. So first we have to set our unit. We have to set our unit in mm first. So we will choose say we will choose the circle command, and we will give the radius of first 18 mm and second will be 56 mm. So first radius is 18 mm and second one is 56. Okay, after that we have to make this distance, and after that we will create this circle. So let's start. So choose line command and track it line and give the distance 15 mm and press enter. Now we are in a distance of 15 mm far. So do ortho mode on and enter the distance 114, press enter. After that we will make these two circles, which is a radius of 22 mm and second one is the radius of 42 mm. See, enter, and they give the radius of 22 mm and second one is 42 mm. Okay, after making it we will make the center line, and the center line is inclined with 135 degree with this line. So we have to make it first. So let's make it. Choose line command and do ortho mode off, and here in in this drawing we are making angle from here. So if we will subtract 135 degree from 180 degree, so we will find 45 degree. So here we will feed the angle 45 degree. So let's see the distance of this line. Distance is 150 mm. So give the distance 150, and to shift from length to angle we have to press tab key in the keyboard. So we shifted in angle, feed the angle of 45 degree, and we have to make second line with the length of 75 mm. So we will do same thing for this line also. So feed the distance 75 and press tab key from keyboard, and we will give the rotation of angle 45. After making it, we will create this circle and this circle also. So radius of the circle is 20 mm. So we will feed the radius of 20, and we will make another circle with the radius of 20, and we will join these two circle with the line command. So we have to choose 10, and we will click in this region, and after that we have to press 10 again and press enter, and we have to choose this region, and after that we will mirror it like this. So, and trim extra portion, erase this line. So after making this, we will make this portion. So the radius of this reference circle is 140 mm. So let's make this circle. First press C and enter and give 140. After making it, we have to find these two circles center point. First one is and second one is. So we have to make this, we have to find this circle center. So the angle between this line and this line is 42 degree. So we have to make this line with the angle of 138 degree. So let's make it. So choose line command and give the length of this line 140. Tab and give the angle of 138 and make another line with the length of 140, and here we find the two center point. So let's make the first circle, which is the radius of 15 mm. And we will make another circle with the radius of 30 mm. And now we have to make this arc, so we have to make another circle with the length, with the radius of 170 mm. So let's make it, C, enter, and fit the value 170, enter. And we have to offset this circle in inner area and outer area also. So press O, enter, give the 15 mm, and now it's time to trim extra portion. For trim all the extra portions, we have to enter TR. After that we have to press space bar twice, so we can easily erase the extra portions. We will erase it, and it's time to make another circle with the radius of 60 mm. Press C, enter, and give the radius 60. Okay, after making it, we have to make this arc, this arc, this arc also, and we have to make one straight line which is tangent with this circle and this circle also. So what we will do for making this arc and line, we have to choose a tan radius command, which is very helpful for all the time where we can make tangent circle easily. So we are going to choose this command. So first we have to choose it, and first click here and second click here, and after that we have to fit the radius, which is 60. So fit the radius 60 and enter. So we are seeing that we made the circle with tangent with this circle and this circle also. So here again we will make the second arc, which is the radius of 56 mm. So we have to press space or enter bar to select again 1010 radius command. So press, sorry, it's not working right now. So let's choose from here. Choose, first choose there and second choose here, and we have to feed 56 mm. Here it is. And now it's time to make another arc or a circle. So with the radius of 60, and choose line command and press 10 and enter. Click here and again press 10, enter, and click anywhere on this circle. So here it is. It's time to trim extra portion. For the trim, we have to press TR double enter. And next we have to erase these lines. Because here no longer use of these lines. So here our drawing is ready. So with this command we made this drawing. Thank you.